Today we're going to show you how to make this ball of lava in Blender really quickly, really easily, so let's get on with it. Right, so first I want to make myself a new scene general, right, and delete everything. Now everything's deleted, go Shift A, add in a UV sphere. Now we want to hit Tab, subdivide, and subdivide it with one cut and make it smooth. Then click Tab again, shade, smooth. Let's go to the shading. Now on the shading, let's change this world to, a bit darker so that we can see mainly what we're doing. And then click on it and click New. Now, really quickly, let's just add Shift A, add emission, and put this anywhere, and set this to 50. Oh, that's 60. Set it to 50, and we want to make this kind of lava-y, reddy orange. We're gonna go add in a mix shader. So we're gonna go mix shader, and put this there, drag this there, and put the mix shader on top of that line, so it cuts it. Then you're going to connect the emission to the bottom shader. As you can see, it's giving it some orangey glow. And we're going to go over to the settings. I'm going to turn ambient inclusion on, and we're going to have bloom on. Bloom is what we're going to need. But anyways, let's get back to this. So now we're going to go add, so Shift A, add a color ramp, and put the color ramp anywhere, and we're going to connect the color to the factor. And now we want to add a Shift A noise texture, and just connect the color to the factor, and Shift A, add a bump node, and connect the normal to the normal and the height to the factor. As you can see, it's kind of beginning to get the look already, but we're still not there yet. So now we're going to go and duplicate this. So click on it, then go Shift D and get the color. Put the color into the vector, let it load. It's getting even more looking like a sun. And then click on this and go Control T. If you don't have the add-on, just get a mapping node and then get a texture coordinate. See, with the color ramp, we're going to bring this darkness all the way up. As you see, it kind of brings in the dried lava. Now let's change the scale to around about 3.6. The detail to 16. See, now you're really beginning to get like the kind of dried looking lava. I guess it would be dried looking lava. And this to 1. And for the same, that's what we got to do for this one. So we go 3.5. 16, really beginning to get the kind of textured feel to it, and I'm happy with that. So from here we're going to go to unsplashed, and we're going to go find a photo that we want to use, and we're going to go Shift A. You're going to add the image as a plane, and when you do, click on the button that says emit, so that it also the image emits a background kind of light. Now when it's in, go RX90, then R90, then scale this up, and there we go. As you can see, we can't see the detail on this ball of lava, so you go Shift A and you want to add in a light, an area light, and then you want to click G, Z, bring it up, turn this on so you can see where it is, G and Z, move it up a bit more, and then go duplicate and move it on the Y right to the edge of the photo, and then duplicate it and move it to the other side of the photo, like so. Now hit the Y up here, you can see it there. We want to get this photo and we want to go G on the X and we want to move it back. Then with these lights we want to go and probably move both of these a little bit forward, and each one we're going to go to constraints, add a constraint, and go track 2, and I'm going to click the sphere, and we're going to do the same to this one. And now lastly we're going to add in a camera, so go Shift A, add in a camera, and we want to make sure that it's moved back on the X, so go to camera view. Now you can see it, and there we go guys, and that's how we made lava in Blender. I hope you guys found this interesting, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit like if you liked it, hit dislike if you didn't like it, subscribe, really does help out a lot. Alright, thanks.